Morning peeps, I'm back up at the allotment taking full advantage of this glorious weather. I've got a bit to do, bit of strimming, bit of planting, and I'm up here with my dad, who's also going to be doing, I don't know, he'll be doing something. Anyway, let's just get on with it. Right, I'm busy strimming, as you can see. Some of it's cut, some of it isn't. Broad beans have been planted, the first batch anyhow. A couple of more batches to come in the next couple of weeks. Got to give them a big old drink. Look at this. I'm strimming this, and I've got this plastic sheeting underneath, which I'm going to expose in the next 10 minutes, hopefully. Fingers crossed it won't be too hard a job. Famous last words. So if I can get rid of that grass there, it just means I don't have to trim that grass in the future, because I've got that plastic sheeting underneath, just like it is here. And again, I'm going to have to take some of that up because the grass is growing over it. And then this bed is still being worked. But like I said, those are the first plants in the allotment for this year. And look how good they are. Bloody love a decent broad bean. And speaking of broad beans, we've got a bunch of hollyhocks here. As you can see, 6 of them. And they are going to get planted in this bottom flower bed here, which is starting to produce. There's the tree lily, just saying hello, along with the weeds, which I can get those out. Yeah, so I've got to get the hollyhocks in, water the broad beans, and tackle that plastic underneath the grass. So let's chat, more work. Right, let's attempt the great reveal. There it is, underneath the grass, and it goes up that path there. So, if you want to hear some X-rated expletives, stick with me for the next couple of minutes as I try and uncover this. Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, God. Thought it was going to be easy. Oh. What an absolute balls up that's turned out to be. That's all the clods of earth and skimmings off the top. There's the plastic, as you can see. I think I've just made an absolute mess now. I wish I hadn't bothered. I was only trying to save some strimming in future visits to the plot, but this is, yeah, I should have just left it. We'll have to, I think, rip it all up, relay the plastic, and I don't know, I'm going to have to get some wood chips on this, I think, this year, which I've tried in the past and they don't work. They only last like a year or two before the grass comes through. Anyway, best laid plans of mice and men, eh? Here's the bottom flower bed now with the 6 hollyhocks planted. As you can see, there we go. Hopefully in the summer they'll put on a real good display. The 2 that I bought last year in here were tremendous, so fingers crossed. Hello, Mr. Shadow. This was the bed that I planted all those allium bulbs in the video, not the last video, the one before that, and as you can see, they're all coming up. You see? Try and get out the shadow. There you go. These guys here, all coming up. Lovely stuff. I think these might be, those look like tulips actually. They might be from a previous year, but that makes me happy that those bulbs have taken. Here, hello shadow again, is one of the bigger ones that's coming up. So this bed, and another, just there. So this bed is going to look delicious in the summer. Look at the state of me. I've got a bloody GQ photo shoot to go to after this. Anyway, that's it for this particular episode. We've been up here soaking up the vitamin D. Now we're going to go to the pub and soak up some vitamin B in the form of beer. Anyway, that's it from me and my dad. And until the next episode, bye for now. Here we go, the most important part of the day at the pub. And I'm trying this pint of Jubel, which apparently is a peach-based beer. There you go. Happy Daffodil Day.